Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will show you how to fix no internet issue after upgrading to Windows 11. And if you are struggling with Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Let's start with our first method you can try. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Now you have to click on this option Network Adapters, expand this option, and this will show you your Wi-Fi driver and your Ethernet driver. So right click on the Wi-Fi driver, then click on Properties. After that, click on this driver tab, and if you have this option rollback driver, so if you have this option, if this option is available, click on this option. So this option will roll back the previously installed driver, and in the most cases this will fix the issue. But if you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is click on this option update driver. So this is the option we need, update driver. Click on it, then click on search automatically. So this will update your Wi-Fi driver. Click on close. After that, restart your system and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, again open this window, then click on update driver. Now you have to click on the second option, browse my computer. Click on it, then click on let me pick from. Now this will show you your Wi-Fi drivers you have in your system. So select the latest Wi-Fi driver, then click on next. So this will reinstall your Wi-Fi driver again, and after that restart your system and check. Now move on to the next method you can try, open command prompt. So for this you have to click on this search icon, the search box, and then type CMD, and this will show you this option command prompt. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a few commands to fix this no internet issue. The first command will be, type this command carefully, then press enter. After that, type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. That's it. Now cut this window and then restart your system and check. Now move on to the next method you can try if you are still getting the same issue. Press Window key and R button together on your keyboard. This will show you the run command. Now you have to type this command carefully, then click on OK. This will show you your Ethernet and your Wi-Fi option. So right click on the Wi-Fi option, then go to Properties, click on Properties. You will see this kind of window, Wi-Fi properties. Now scroll down and you have to uncheck this option, Internet Protocol version 6. So you have to uncheck this option, then click on OK. After that, you have to restart your system and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is open this window again, then right click on your Wi-Fi option, go to Properties, click on Properties. After that, you have to select this option, Internet Protocol version 4. So click on this option. After that, click on Properties. Now here you will see these two options, IP address and DNS server. Now you have to make sure both the options are selected as automatic. Okay. That's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now move on to the next method you can try. Again, right click on this Windows icon, then click on Device Manager. Now click on this option Network Adapters, expand this option. After that, you have to right click on your Wi-Fi driver, or if you are using Ethernet connection, right click on your Ethernet driver. Okay. So in my case, I'm using Wi-Fi connection. So I will right click on my Wi-Fi driver. Then click on uninstall device, tick this option, then click on uninstall, and after that immediately restart your system, and this will reinstall your Wi-Fi driver again. Now move on to the next method you can try. Right click on this network icon, then click on this option Network and Internet Settings, click on it. Scroll down and then click on this option Advanced Network Settings, click on it. Now here you will see this option network reset, click on it. Now you have to click on this option reset now. So this will reset your network settings only. So click on reset now and after that restart your system. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.